Hi, my name is Ted with Legacy Brand Leather. Today I'm going to be crafting a set of leather coasters. Now I've already done a video where I crafted some coasters, but I've had a couple people asking for me to add a coaster set back to my site. Really? And I gotta say, I like the more minimal approach to these coasters than the other ones I had on my site before. Let's get to it. Okay, first off you're going to take your leather. Today I'm using a Russet Skirting leather. This is approximately 8 to 10 ounces thick. I'm using my past coaster design as a template for cutting this out. I'm going to do 4 coasters for a coaster set. And here I'm pulling out the die. It's a 3 3/4 inch diameter. Then I'm using my 4-ton hand-operated clicker press to punch out those coasters. Once I've got that done, I'm going to put the logo on the coaster. And there it is. Now I was trying to decide between the Craft Tool Fine Edge Beveler or the Craft Tool Zero Grade Beveler. I went with that one because I feel like it's going to hold up to this thicker leather. Then I'm beveling the bottom side and the top side all the way around. These next steps are all optional. If you want to just punch it out on your press, then you're done. But I decided I wanted to get some nice clean edges and polish it up. Here I'm using Tokonal clear edge dressing. This will give a nice edge burnish and polish once I'm done. Then I'm using a rotary Dremel tool with a Cocobolo wood attachment. Here I'm adding some more Tokonal and using a canvas piece to get a nice clean edge. And then you can optionally use some beeswax to protect the edges further. First I apply some beeswax and then I use a lighter to get the wax a little bit softened before I'm going to burnish it. And then I like to use some Doc Martens Wonder Balsam. This doesn't necessarily waterproof the leather, but makes it more water resistant. Over time, water or whatever is going to spill on the coaster is still going to seep through, but it just kind of protects it for the first several uses. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm on Instagram at Legacy Brand Leather. If you like this video, please hit that like button and please consider subscribing. That shows me that you want to see more videos and more content like this. I'll see you next week with a new video. Stay safe out there.